Hey, this is Broker Brad coming to you from NextHome Lifestyles here in San Jose at the heart of Silicon Valley with another real estate Q&A, this time focused on sellers. Today's topic, how do I sell my Silicon Valley home? So you're a Silicon Valley homeowner and now you're thinking about selling. Where do you start? Okay, let's break it down. Start with number one, always start with an evaluation. What does this mean? Why are you selling in the first place? Do you have a job relocation? Are you retiring? Is there a financial hurdle coming up? What's the reason? Because that's going to help us determine the rest of the process to recommend for you. Timing, what's the timing of the sale? Do you have to be out sooner than later? Most home sellers within our area are actually pre-planning the sale of their home for upwards of 90 to 180 days. Yes, 3 to 6 months is usually how long it takes to plan it out right. What's the goal of your sale? Highest price, or are you just looking to sell quickly? There's a big difference between the two. Number two, we got to create a plan based on the evaluation. How are we going to plan it out? Are we going to prepare the home for sale? Are we going to do any painting? Are we going to fix any repairs? We're going to do landscaping, inspections, and disclosures. When you're selling a property in California, you have a ton of disclosures you've got to complete. In addition, informed sellers also choose to do property inspections ahead of time so that buyers can take a look at the condition of the property before they get into contract. Gives you more negotiating leverage. What about pricing? How are you going to price the home? That could be affected by the timing of the sale too. And do you need to sell it faster, or can your home sit on the market longer? And marketing strategy. There's a lot to consider. You're going to do brochures, you're going to do a property tour. What about a 3D tour? How are you going to promote your home? Open houses, etc. Number three, let's talk about executing on that plan. So again, once we've gone through the evaluation, devised a plan, it's time to execute. Who's going to help you? Do you have a marketing team? Do you have people you can reach out to? What about a home stager? What about a real estate agent? Or are you going to try and do it on your own? Well, we can tell you that the advantages of a real estate agent in this market are many. According to the National Association of Realtors, homeowners that choose to work with a realtor on average are selling their house 7 to 9% higher in price when working with a real estate professional. So what do we add to the process? A level of predictability. We can help make sure that the expectation you have to meet and how long it's going to take to be on the market for and what price we're trying to hit is met as closely as possible. An overall smoother experience. That way you can let your agent focus on how to prepare the house for sale and then how to market and promote it so that you can concentrate on planning your relocation. And then of course, our network. That way you know there's a trusted network of contractors, stagers, marketing services. They're gonna make sure that your house looks amazing when it's time to go to market. Okay, that was a long one, but at the same time, it's a very tricky question. So if you're thinking about selling, feel free to reach out to us. We'd be happy to help you and walk you through the process and customize a specific marketing plan for your home. I'm Brad Gill of NextHome Lifestyles. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel, and I'll talk to you guys soon.